Hello and welcome to Fast Track to Fitness. I'm Jyotsna from the unit. Today we're discussing the final part of good posture, activating your core. If you've got really good posture, then you will not be standing with the help of your back or walking with the help of your back. Your glutes will do that work. You're standing upright, your weight's in your glutes, and your core is going to stay nice and active. Don't get me wrong, your back is your support system, it's part of your core, but it's not meant to deal with the weight of your body. You're looking for it to only support you. So a good way to make sure that you're not using your back is to wake up every morning and activate your core. Easiest way to do this is to squeeze your butt and your core together and clench 10 seconds, right? Hold for 10, release. Again, hold for 10. Remember, you're squeezing your butt and your abs together. Just hold for 10, release. Do that 10 times for 10 seconds each. So it should be a total of 100 seconds, but 10 times. You're going to do it a while. If you can't do it for 10 sets, that's okay. At least try 5 and then start your day. You'll find that your core is more active, more ready to fire. And that's it. 4 parts to posture rehab. It's not a be-all, end-all. It's not a solution for everything, and depending on your posture, you might need to change the exercises around. But these 4 exercises should put you in a better place than where you were if you've just been sitting all day for 8 hours without any stretching in between.